Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. 10 passive income ideas that turn skills into monthly income. What if the skills you already have could pay you every single month without you working every day? Not someday, not after years, but starting with what you already know. Because here's the truth. Most people don't lack income opportunities. They lack leverage. They trade time for money. Again and again. But the moment you turn a skill into something scalable, everything changes. So, in this video, you'll discover 10 passive income ideas that turn your skills into consistent monthly income. Let's begin. Section 1. The shift. Before we start, you need to understand one thing. Passive income is not no work. It's work done once that keeps paying over time. So instead of asking, how do I make money today? Ask, how do I build something that keeps making money later? That's the shift. Idea number 1, digital products. Turn your knowledge into something downloadable, ebooks, templates, guides. If you know something, someone else wants to learn it, and once it's created, you can sell it over and over again. Idea number 2, online courses. Package your skill into a structured course, step by step, simple, clear. People pay for clarity, and once your course is live, it can generate income every month. Idea number 3, YouTube content. Create videos that teach or entertain, because content doesn't expire. One video can earn views for years, and over time, those views turn into income. Idea number 4, affiliate content. Recommend products you already use through videos, blogs, social media. You don't need to create the product. You just connect people to it and earn a commission every time they buy. Idea number 5, printables and templates. If you're organized, creative, or detail-oriented, this is powerful. Planners, Notion templates, design assets. Once created, they sell repeatedly with zero extra effort. Idea number 6, stock content. Photos, music, videos, design elements. Upload once and get paid every time someone downloads. Your creativity becomes an asset. Idea number 7, membership content. Create exclusive content for a small group of people. Monthly access, consistent value. Even a small audience can generate stable income if it's loyal. Idea number 8, automated freelance system. Turn your service into a system, templates, processes, outsource parts of it. So instead of trading hours, you manage a system that delivers results. Idea number 9, email newsletter. Build an audience through email. Share insights, tips, value, then monetize through sponsorships or products, because attention is income. Idea number 10, skill-based mini products. Instead of one big product, create small ones, fast to build, easy to buy, low commitment, and stack them, because multiple small streams become one strong income. Action 2. Why most people fail. Most people hear these ideas and do nothing, not because they can't, but because they overthink. They wait, they delay, they try to be perfect. But passive income rewards action, not perfection. Section 3. How to start. Start simple. Pick one skill, one idea, one platform. Don't try everything. Build one system that works, then expand. Because momentum is everything. Section 4. The real advantage. The real advantage isn't the idea. It's consistency. Because most people quit before it works. But if you stay, if you keep building, if you keep improving, your skills turn into assets, and your assets turn into income. So ask yourself, what skill do you already have that you're not using? Because the opportunity is already there. You just haven't turned it into a system yet. And once you do, you stop trading time for money and start building income that works for you. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.